Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, I'm just gonna sit for a sec, but pretty much I just got a day in the life, kind of like a reselling video here today. I'm just gonna be showing y'all, me packaging up some of my shoes I gotta ship off. You can see some of them there, and then I also just got some in, so I'll show you all those. Got a little live cop in this video for you also. All that is going down, just showing y'all pretty much what I do, reselling shoes and how I do it in school. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, it's just kind of a simple video, a little bit of a vlog, but I'm not gonna be like filming in public too much, just cause that's not really what we got today. We're pretty much just going post office, live cop, going to go print some labels. I have a label printer coming in today, so I have to go to my school's library to actually print some stuff right now, so I may film that, but I'm not really sure. But I'll definitely show y'all around the city of Charleston what it looks like a little bit, and then just show y'all what I got in here. So shout out to my mom for helping me get these down here to Charleston. I really appreciate that. Love you for that. And probably the most useful thing I actually got in was this backpack, because I didn't have a backpack yet, and now I got a good reliable one. Shout out North Face. But yeah, too much talking. I hope you guys will enjoy. Be sure you guys subscribe and like for more reselling videos just like this, or the sneaker content. You know what we do on the channel, and I've appreciated the constant support y'all have been showing lately. Almost at 50K, and when we hit 50K, we're going to do a giveaway, probably for a pair of Lightning 4s. That's what people have been telling me they want, so I can definitely do that. So a little bit of a long intro, but let me show y'all maybe what I got, to unbox for y'all. All right, so as y'all can see, a pretty big box right here. I'm just going to be saving this for the future in case you got to ship a lot of shoes for somebody. But heading over here, we got some packages. One from Grail, Caviar, shout out them. Just one from last week. So I'll unbox that for y'all, kind of show y'all what I got from them. Of course, always giving the undermarket deals, so y'all can check them out down below. And then also right here, got two packages. One from Undefeated, pair of shoes, which I was concerned about going down in value. It had went up to like $280, but now it's actually, I think, rising again. So that's dope to see that in a pair of dunks I got. And then also a pair of sea foams and one from Bodega raffle. So shout out Bodega. I'll show y'all all that. Even though Bodega be backdooring everything, I actually won from them. So pretty rare. All right, so we'll get into unboxing these right now. I'm kind of breaking open the Undefeated package right now. This is the one, the new pair of dunks they just dropped, the kind of blue pair. So hopefully they sent me the right one. If they sent me the wrong one, that kind of sucked. Right here, we got the Dunk versus Air Force One, and here we go. This is the new pair of signal blue, size 12. And overall, my first impression is I really like how these look. The first kind of impression here, I think this is not a suede, this is kind of like a canvas material, if I'm correct. That might be the wrong way to say it, but this is a canvas material. This is suede though, the swoosh, along with I think there's one more suede portion. No, but this is kind of a really nice leather right up here, and then right here this is kind of the snakeskin pattern, which I've seen these going for much more than the Canteen versions. I saw some people liking the Canteen versions more, and I think these will start to drop in price sooner or later, so I'm going to sell my pair now. But I did get a good size 4 to size 12, so those are the ones that are kind of in demand, and I do think these ones do look better than the Canteen ones that dropped before these. And then not to mention the Undefeated symbol, of course, since it is a collaboration right there. Y'all can see that in all suede right there. I kind of like how that's looking right there. So overall, blue laces, everything, and hopefully there's not any sound issues. I've been having some sound issues on my last few videos, but hopefully it's been straight on this one so far. But yeah, first things first, Undefeated Air Force One, got these for retail, super happy about that. And yeah, shout out Undefeated for letting me hit, appreciate that. So gonna sell these today. I'll show y'all me doing that. But yeah, right here actually was a pretty clean opening right there for that box, not gonna complain. So, and yeah, this is definitely such a good box to have, because I'm just gonna use this box to reship when I sell these. So right here, as you guys can see, we got a size 7.5, if I'm correct, 7.5 in women's. Pair of Air Jordan 1 sea foams. You can see everything authentic, straight from Bodega. Did they put my address on there? I was about to say they better not put my address. I don't think they did, but yeah, it shows you all the retail that everything's authentic. Of course, straight from Bodega. And my first impressions on these. Oh, these even have like a receipt type thing on them. Yeah, these got just very verified. Got the Bodega receipt and everything there. And then also they got the pair in hand. Looks like somebody was definitely checking these out in the store, but no problem with that since it looks like they aren't tried on or anything. Yeah, not tried on at all. So we got that right there, the pair of Air Jordan 1 sea foam. Such a clean pair of shoes. I'm actually kind of a fan of the laces, and once I've seen these in hand, I can definitely say these are much doper than pictures. Again, I was kind of like, these aren't my style, I'm not really rocking with these, but after seeing them, and this is a nice crispy, like kind of like suede, I guess, if you want. Well, not suede. Yeah, it's not suede, but the leather on the shoe is really nice, and then you also got the 2 pairs of laces with the green and white ones. Of course, I think these with white laces instead of this kind of orange lining ones with the white on the inside. I think these with just straight white laces would be clean as anything. So do I need a pair? Yeah, I might need a pair once these start to drop a bit. But yeah, really clean materials. Really like what they chose for this one. And yeah, definitely going to get the little flip on this one now. But I'm super glad I was able to cop these. I was pretty happy when I got the email about it. So yeah, overall right there, bodegas. Not bodegas, but yeah, Seafoams right there. So first pair, I actually don't remember what these are. Oh, pair of Volt Gold size 10.5, I think, or no, size 10. I got these for like $164 total, so shout out them. That's a total deal, and 100% authentic, of course, no fakes over here, so y'all can see these. Again, I'm not a huge fan of the Volt Golds, but again, I expected these to perform better than they did on the market. They did not perform great, but just a pair right there. Just want to show y'all those, and I'll probably be putting those for sale on my reselling page today. I think I link my reselling page and all that down below, so if you want to check that out, feel free. And also this pair of Dunks right here. Looks like this one held up decent in shipping, not bad. I mean, Dunk boxes don't last great over time anyways, just because of what they're made of, but a size 13, so a bigger box anyways. And this is a pair of Varsity Maze Dunk Highs, brand new, never worn. Y'all can see the factory lacing right there. I'll just put these back in the shoe. But yeah, I actually am a fan of this dunk. People are calling these Wu-Tang dunks. I got these for $200 total, I believe, so not a bad price, and I'll be able to flip these hopefully for around $220, $230, which is okay. But shipping might kind of take a lot of my profit there, but just market was higher at the time. But again, got delayed with getting these. They were like $250 when I originally had them, but I might hold on, might see what happens, because these will probably rise just due to their colorway. But it will be much longer term. So aside from that, those are kind of all the shoes I got in the mail right there. Just want to show you all those pairs. I'm going to sell those and post those today. I'll show you all that process like I usually have before. But let's go print in those labels and see what we can kind of get done there. Alright, so I've actually decided before the library, I'm going to show y'all my live cop yesterday from Grail, Caviar, and then I'm going to show y'all how I would post my shoes on Instagram, kind of that whole process. So we'll get into my live cop right now, and then I'll show y'all how I post and sell my shoes that I get for retail or whatever it may be, resale prices. So we'll show you all that. Alright, so as you guys can see, here I am on the Grail Caviar drop page, and I'm actually about to go for some items to kind of show you all how it works, since I know some of you guys have been asking me about this and you've been kind of confused. So it's pretty much like a minute before the drop. Usually stuff drops at 3 p.m. Eastern time, or I think it's 12 p.m. Pacific Coast time, so a little 4-hour difference right there. But pretty much looking at this, I'm just waiting until I can go for some items right here. I'm going to be going for some Oreo 4s in grade school sizing. They're very under market price right now, and shout out to Grail Caviar for throwing these deals. And of course, all my stuff, if you want to sign up with it, it's down there below. But I just kind of do a live cop right here for you all to kind of see and show you all me checking out some items, and hopefully we'll be successful here. But usually it's not too difficult to actually go ahead and check out on some items. So we're just going to refresh right here. I got to refresh a kind of different way because I can't hit Control R because I'm doing the screen recording, so I got to do it a little bit different than I normally would. But luckily I know where all the items are, so hopefully I will be able to do this quickly enough, and hopefully we'll have some success. My refresh button's a little bit slow, but hopefully. Alright, so everything has appeared right there, and you guys can see we're going for 6.5Y right there, and we're just going to check out, and hopefully we will be good here. Alright, it's a little bit slow to load, but with payment, there we go. Hopefully this will load here in a second. Alright, and then with the card number, we got all that. And then here we are, and same as shipping, and there we go right there. So hopefully that'll be successful. That was pretty quick right there, and if that goes through, then that'll be a solid cop. That's already some profit if that processes correctly, and hopefully we'll check out on this item. It's a little bit slow, and there we go, one item right there secured, and that's already $225 for some Oreos. That's extremely under market price, and I don't want to go for that right there. I want to go for a 7Y right here, so I'm going for 2 pairs of Oreos just because these are easy cooks right here, $225 each, really easy profit I feel like. So I'm going to continue right there, and then hopefully that will process. All right, there we go. We're going to get that right there, and hopefully this will process through. If it's making me do everything right there, which is a little bit different, and there we go. Hopefully we'll check out here. If we get 2 pairs of Oreos, that would be crazy, because that'd be a really good checkout, and that'd be something I want to see right there. So hopefully this processes for me. I think we may have it. Hopefully we do. And there we go. 2 pairs of Oreos secured right there. That's the max you can go for per drop with each membership, just 2 pairs. And I've checked out on 2 right there, and that's really solid. Both going to my apartment
area in Charleston, so I'm happy about that. A 6.5Y and a 7Y, both going for almost $300, and your boy just got them for $225 each. So that's like $100 profit right there. I'm pretty happy with that. And yeah, there we go, 2 checkouts. So shout out Grail Caviar as always. First part of a little resale video right there, and let's kind of continue, because aside from the screen recording, which I'm going to kind of end right here, we got a lot of stuff to ship, so let's get that done.
So how I would typically resell shoes, again, this is just my account that I have for reselling CLT Steals. Y'all can see it right there. But what I would typically do is post something on my story. Of course, you know, kind of show it what I have, like what's the price, what's the condition. Of course, I could just post these in my story and say, you know, size 12, brand new, undefeated versus Air Force One Dunk Low. I could just say that, you know, and then say the buy it now price, which you could just list as bin. That's buy it now. And then, or you could just put like highest offer, which is HO, and then you could post it in your story, continuously updating people what the highest offer is. Or as you can see, I got regular posts for shoes as well. Just posted this one recently where I sold a lot of these pairs. I got packaged up, and you could see I got some more that I need to actually sell over here. So I'm definitely going to repost those today, or do something like that, and these ones also. But I could do a post for these. Of course, if I was doing a post, I would add more pictures kind of the shoes up close, kind of see what they look like, maybe some of the labels, again, details, kind of showing them that they're brand new. So if I was just going to be posting the sea foams by themselves, let's say, what do? I would basically just take them out, of course, take some good pictures of them, you know, take pictures of them out the box, of course, take pictures of their soles. Another thing I would do, of course, take a picture of, you know, top of the box, take a picture of the label. If you have a receipt, take a picture of the receipt, mark out the order number and your address and all that. But that's a really important tip right there. It's just, let's say I was selling these, just take good pictures, post them on my story, constantly update there, and you know, then I could just, you know, repost to my story, do all that. And you know, again, as I've mentioned for the 3rd time now, you should just update people's with offers over time and kind of show them that. But yeah, aside from that, these ones right here, I love these seafoams. I'm definitely might need a personal pair to wear with white laces, but I'm gonna sell these now. That's really my whole process. How I sell on Instagram, it's as easy as that. I have people DM me, you know, I can sell things in bulk, of course, where, you know, I get profit from 2 shoes and sell them to 1 person. So yeah, we'll show you all the shipping process now, all that. You've already seen the live cop, so let's do that. Okay, so I don't know what was going on with my voice right there, but pretty much what I'm about to show y'all is how I actually just posted on my Instagram, since I did just post all of these, and I want to show y'all how I did it all at once, how I get people to swipe up, kind of respond. So on my Instagram right here, I want to show y'all this is on my story again. As I said, I just kind of posted it. I was like, who needs pairs? You know, just posted a picture of all of them together, kind of like that, and then kind of took a video of them, kind of showing them, you know, some of the new ones that landed, stuff like that, just to kind of give people an example. And that's really all you got to do, is just post like, I need these gone, you know, or like, you know, hit me up, I got these for sale. And of course, the number one key I want to mention with reselling shoes is your patience. Just got to understand it will take time for some things to sell. If you want to get the price you want, you will have to wait. So just remember that, be patient. But next thing we'll get into is, you know, shipping labels, all that. I just really wanted to go over that so y'all can kind of understand, because we got to get a lot of stuff mailed out. I've made a lot of promises I'm mailing out today, so I got to make it to that library at some time. But I'm hoping this guy responds sooner or later with the labels that I was getting from him. So let's get into that. Okay, so since I checked in with y'all last, I actually have sold a couple pairs, sold a pair of Oreos and the Seafoams, and I also sold the Undefeateds. I knew the Undefeateds and Seafoams were going to be the things that kind of sold the quickest for me, but also shout out to my roommate for having a printer. So that just saved me a ton of time. So I just got some of these boxed up, and I'm gonna, you know, be using, gotta go to Walgreens, get some printer paper, stuff like that. I'm gonna be using that more, which is dope. I'm really glad to know I actually have a printer here, but I won't be using that one as much, just because I actually have a label printer coming in today, but that saves me some time, so I can at least get some packages out that I need to today. So about to make that Walgreens trip, sold those. Of course, Undefeateds. I knew that was going to be the quickest one that flipped, along with the Seafoams. I just know those two, once they landed, those are immediately going to be gone. I had good prices on them too, and these are extremely clean. This pair of shoes right here, yeah, I'm a huge fan of this, and I think the value it's at right now, that $220 price, is about probably what it's worth. So gonna get these mailed. I'll show you all that journey. We'll go there to the post office and all that, and then printing labels, doing all that, copping deals.
Alright, so all my packages are in the back right over there. About to show you all the post office. Maybe I'll film a bit around Charleston. I'm not really sure. I'm just at my apartment complex right now. Kind of, you know, showing, not really around it, but just parked. Don't know why I'm saying that, but PO's like 5 minutes away. That's convenient, so let's go. Bro, there is someone, this hurts me. There is someone in an all pink 4Runner, bro. All pink. That is so ugly, bruh. Hey, but here's beautiful Charleston. Love the city, man. Looking great. Love this area, dude. Love being in college down here. I'm so blessed. It's awesome. All right, so we're here. It's actually one of the nicer post offices I've actually ever seen. Look at the size of this, but yeah, here we are. Got all these mailed, all these addresses. So I'm gonna go get these going, and yeah, just another sunny day. Pretty much what we got going on. And I got all these too, so finally shipping. Finally bought a label printer too. I gotta try that out since I don't know what that's like, so hopefully that's decent. It was kind of expensive, but hopefully it works good.
Anyways, though, nice and simple, we were just back here at, my place, my apartment that I'm at. I'm pretty much just going to wrap it up here. I don't got much more to do today. I might sell a couple other pairs, but I'm not going to drag this video out. I've mentioned everything I need to, and, I got my other labels, about to get those printed, got some printed paper. I did everything I mentioned. But yeah, we just went to the PO, dropped this off. That went nice and smooth. So hopefully my label printer will come in today too. I want to show that in an upcoming video, but we'll just make this the outro. I just had to deal with some super annoying stuff. Imagine this, all right? So you live in an apartment complex, right? And then you pay $200 a month, pretty much $220 a month for a parking spot right there at that complex, right? A good spot. And then you leave for 10 minutes, and 10 minutes later, somebody is there parked in your spot. And then you catch the person that did it. Imagine, bro, that was so annoying. I'm even getting red-faced talking about it. That's how you can tell I was really mad about it. I was just like, are you serious? 10 minutes? I can't even have my own spot? Like, it's crazy. People are just so inconsiderate up here at this college. I try and keep it real though. So aside from that, subscribe and like for more reselling videos like this. And next time I catch somebody in my spot, you all will catch me doing a live rage on YouTube on somebody for sure. Maybe even some hands will be thrown. Cause shoot, $200, you're just not being considerate taking my spot like that. You better give me some money if you want my spot. But yeah, enough said. I'm Tristan. Thank y'all for watching, and hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video, because this was just simple, short, and sweet. Everything will be linked down below, boys at Grail, caviar, and all that, but just want to kind of let y'all know what went down. I just had to skip filming for a while because I just had to deal with that for like an hour. That cost me almost a parking ticket. Like, I hate people like that, man. All right, enough said. It's not that serious, but yeah, you inconsiderate as anything. I'll catch y'all on the next one, though. Peace.